So I've created a maths task for my class. I've got 3 levels of challenge. I've got a mild, a medium, and a hot. And there is 3 separate Google Docs. Now, one way I could differentiate in my classwork is I'll create it as an assignment. I could use material, but I'm going to do it as an assignment. I'm going to go maths. I'm going to say, choose your level of challenge. And then I need to add these documents. So all I'd have to do is go into Google Drive. There should be 3 of my most recently seen ones. I've got mild, medium, and hot. So I'm using control click so I can collect all 3 at once. Could just do it one at a time, but that just saves a bit of space. So I've set it all to view the file. So for this activity, they'd have to be working on paper in the books or on a whiteboard because they're just viewing the file, or they could have a copy each, whichever way I want to do it. And then because it's an assignment, they'll have to tick off that they've done. Now, if I'm doing it this way with students viewing the file and they're working on paper, an assignment for them ticking it off, there won't be any work returned, but they will have work in their books. If I set it as make a copy for each pupil, or students can edit the file, certainly when they make a copy, there will be work returned in. If it's the middle option, students can edit the file, then I'll just have lots and lots of people's work on each one of these documents, which probably wouldn't be a good fit if this is a whole class. Now, there's a bit of trust here because I'm asking them to pick what they think is appropriate for them, because I'm just giving this to all students at once. So that is how I can differentiate my Google tasks by choice.